today's video, I'll show you how to export tickets in Zoho Desk. Whether you need a backup, want to analyze your support data, or share reports with your team, this process is simple and easy to follow. Start by logging in to your Zoho Desk account and heading to your main dashboard. From there, look for the setup option, usually shown as a gear icon. Click on it to open the settings area where you can manage different parts of your Zoho Desk workspace. Once you're inside setup, navigate to the data administration section. This area is designed to help you control how your data is handled, including importing and exporting information. Within data administration, find and select the export option. Now you'll be asked to choose what you want to export. Select the tickets module so only ticket data is included. After that, move to the views section and choose all tickets if you want a complete export of every ticket in your account. This is ideal when you need a full overview of your support activity. After reviewing your selections, click the export option to begin the process. Zoho Desk will start preparing your file, and once it's ready, it will automatically download to your computer, usually in your downloads folder. Open the file using Excel or any spreadsheet software to review, filter, or analyze your ticket data as needed. And that's it. You've successfully exported tickets from Zoho Desk. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out our other Zoho Desk guides for more quick and helpful tips.